Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to use mute navigation guidance features on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the setup. So the setup button is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now let's choose here the sound. Then let's use the left menu to open here the driving guidance. Then let's scroll down and here you should find mute navigation guidance. Right now I've got this unchecked, but if I check it here, pressing the physical mute button on the steering wheel while a live GPS voice prompt is playing will quickly silence the system guidance instructions for 10 seconds. I think it's quite useful, so let me just leave it and let me use it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.